Welcome to HVAC Repair, Portland Heights, Portland, Oregon. Right now, heating and cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. Right now, heating and cooling is the ideal option if you're searching for reliable HVAC repair and heat pump installation contractors within your area. Our skilled team provides services for both residential and commercial properties. We have more than 25 years of expertise in the HVAC repair and heat pump installation business and are able to handle all of your most difficult HVAC repair and heat pump installation issues. Our professional HVAC repair and heat pump installation contractors and technicians are highly proficient in all areas of the heating and cooling industry. They provide outstanding service with exceptional results, outstanding customer service, and affordable prices. Our team takes great pride in staying up to date in all codes and technology in order to keep your family and your home safe. We enjoy what we do, and that can be seen in the high quality of the work that we perform on every project, no matter the size or complexity. Our HVAC repair and heat pump installation technicians handle small heating and cooling needs from routine maintenance to large central heating and cooling system installations. Only trained technicians from factories are employed. They're the most skilled and most reliable workers in the industry. Your job will be completed properly every time. Right now, Heating and Cooling anticipates that we will continue to work with us even after the new equipment is installed. Our ongoing services are designed to keep your unit operating at its peak efficiency, without interruptions or breakdowns. The services we offer include heat pump installation, heat pump repair, air conditioner installation, HVAC installation, HVAC repair, central heating installation, thermostat repair, thermostat installation, and other related services. Our approach has always been simple. It's to provide a competitive price that is based on qualified HVAC repair and heat pump installation technicians, with no additional charges and 100% satisfaction guarantee on the work done. For any heating and cooling repair or installation services in your home or company, our HVAC repair and heat pump installation technicians are here to assist you. We have a variety of pricing options and guarantee workmanship, emergency and weekend services, along with warranties for every parts and labor. Visit our website or call us at 503-300-6124.